What is up, guys? It's your boy Gano, and welcome back to Slick Garage, guys. On today's video, we're going to be trying to polish out these wheels, trying to take off that factory clear coat to see if we can get a little shine out of them. This is what we're going to be using. Got a glass bowl, chip brush, 2-inch chip brush. Now, I've done this once or twice with aircraft paint remover. I know that works. It's like an aerosol can. They sell it out at Riley's, whatever. And I'm like, man, let me try it. So I read the instructions, and it just says protect hands, whatever, use gloves and goggles. Number 2, shake well, pour into a container and apply with a paintbrush. Step 3, it takes up from 30 minutes to 24 hours depending on what you're doing and how long you want to leave it on there. So, and then y'all see all this: danger, causes burns, whatever, avoid contact with skin. So I'm gonna be pouring some of this in here and then applying it to the rims real quick. I was reading it just to make sure it didn't say anything about, like, you know, wet the surface or whatever, and they don't specify anything. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in there. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod real quick, and let's go ahead and spread that out. And then on the 30 minutes while we wait, I have not cleaned this truck since we got it, guys. I mean, as y'all can tell, my bad, I've been out here, my nails are all dirty and stuff, but as y'all can tell, I mean, this thing is just, it's filthy big time. Look at this. So I'm gonna bust out a brush real quick and brush out all the carpet, brush out all the seats, spray all the door panels, spray all the dashboard. I don't know what the hell all this is. It looks like, I guess from when it was getting wet, it almost looked like mildew. So we're gonna get her cleaned up a little bit. I also got the original floor mats. They were actually in the toolbox. The toolbox is over there. So I'll be getting those out as well, cleaning them out, and we'll be putting them in here. So there it goes, guys. I literally just did it, and it looks like it's gonna work, man. I can honestly, I don't know, it looks like it's already working, and I literally just put it. So let's give it a couple minutes, and let me check what time it is first of all, and let me do the other rims, and we'll give it a little while, and then we'll pressure wash it off in 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Guys, so it's been about 10 minutes since I did the first one, and I'm already done with all 4 of them. And as you guys can tell, look at that. It's definitely working. So let's wait the 30, 40 minutes that it's telling us to wait. Let's go ahead and clean the interior of the truck real quick just to kill some time, and then we'll come back and pressure wash them. All right, guys, so it's been, I don't know, like an hour, and you can tell I have y'all zoomed in pretty good. I don't want to get that thing near my phone, so let me go ahead and let me get going. Damn, guys, the difference is crazy, as y'all can tell. They obviously need to be polished, guys, and they still have a little bit. I'm about to wash them up, but let's go ahead and do one more just for the camera. Yeah, it just comes right off. All right, guys, so it's been a couple days. I first said, okay, let me order this, and I did on Amazon. And then I got it and realized I didn't have any rags to, like, you know, to polish the wheels out here with. So I'm like, okay, let me order the rags. So I ordered the rags, and I polished that back wheel by hand. And I'm like, all right, well, that's not going to work. So then I ordered this, and it just got here today. And I know this works already, but I'm just doing it for the sake of the video. So let's go ahead and, man, which one do I want to use? I don't know. We'll use this one. I'm going to polish out this rim real quick. Good old mother's polish. Man, everybody has their own, I guess, everybody has their own preference. You know, I know White Diamond works very well. Mother's is just OG, you know. And there's a lot more stuff out there in the industry now that people use. So I'm gonna do the whole center cut. I'm gonna go softly and spread out all the polish first. All right, that was, I don't know what, like maybe close to a minute. And I can already tell that it's polished out. Hopefully I don't have too many little imperfections. Man, this is one of them things, guys, that you just got to go back and forth. The center cap is plastic. As most of you already know, this is not. So it's not going to get the same exact polish. All right, let's do one of the spokes so you guys can see. It still gets a whole lot better than this, but it's not like perfectly like chromed like the center cap will be. All right, there we go. Look at how beautiful that is. You see that compared to that? And let's just do the center cap. Holy shit. Oh, that's really, really chrome. I know there's some guys out there that sand down or this is textured, like, for sure. I don't know, yes, you see all the lines. And there's some guys out there that, you know, really, really go and sand this down completely smooth, and they do get a chrome finish like the center cap. But man, I'm not looking to be like perfect, guys. So anyways, let me put you guys on time lapse real quick. I'm gonna do the rest of the rim with this, and then I do got these little drums to do the lip. So, or maybe even this one to do the lip, kind of get in there. So let me put you guys on time lapse real quick, and let's knock this rim out. All right, first of all, I'm a little thirsty, guys. So. Ah. Alright guys, so this is a non-polished rim right here. And then a polished rim right here. Big difference, guys. I'm actually extremely happy. And with the drill, that attachment, it honestly took me, man, not even 10 minutes, guys, to fully polish out one rim. So not bad. Let me finish out the other rims and we will go from there. There you have it, guys. That's another rim done. I'm about as soon as I'm done with all 4 rims, guys, I'm gonna wash the tires real good, and I'm gonna wash all this gunk that's in there too real good. But man, this looks amazing, guys. And again, it took me not even 10 minutes, guys, to do this side. Just look at that, guys. That looks amazing. I still can't believe, I don't remember it being that easy back in the day. And then you have this side. Let me knock this side out real quick. Well, there you guys have the finished product. I just came back from the car wash, guys. I washed the truck. I was washing all the carpet and everything. But man, they look amazing, as y'all can tell. And there you guys have it. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you think of the rims, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Thanks for watching, guys.